Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about what are Twitter moments and how to use them. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you using Twitter moments? Twitter moments are curated stories that may include events or show what's happening around the world. When viewing moments, you may see it as regular tweets, but when you click on it, it will take you to the Moments page where you can see all the curated stories inside that moment. And it's easy to create your story with Twitter moments. You can create moments out of tweets from users that you don't even follow. You can browse different tweets from this curated moment. So when should you create moments? Create moments based on events. You can start curating stories on events that are trending, currently happening, or photos from past events. This allows Twitter users to learn what is happening during the event or the highlights of the event. Next, show product demo. You can create stories that show people about how your product works. You can even share how people can benefit from using the product in their lives or how it can make their lives easier. You can use moments to show off your product features that your potential customers would love to see. It's also a great way to attract new prospects to your business. Next, show customer feedback. If you have customers or clients, you can share how they liked your products or services. This way, you can create brand awareness for users or audiences who don't know your business yet. As you showcase highlights of your customer feedback, people will know that your products or services are already tried and tested by satisfied customers, and people will choose your business over your competitors. Next, get traction from old tweets. Anyone can easily miss a tweet that you shared as users see different tweets every day. Using moments can help resurface tweets that you have created in the past. It can allow you to compile tweets based on a particular topic. Now, to create Twitter moments, just click on the More menu. Under Creator Studio, you can find Moments. Tap on this icon to start creating moments. There are different types of moments that you can use. Moments you can create are the tweets that you have liked, tweets by account, tweet search, or collection. Now choose from the tabs and select tweets in the section to add to your Twitter moments. Now click the button Add to include the selected tweets to the Twitter moments that you'll create. Twitter recommends using less than 10 tweets when using moments. Then choose a cover. You may choose any media to represent your moment. Just add a tweet URL here to use the media. Now click Next. Crop the image, then click Done. Now you can add a title. Make sure the title is relevant to the collection of tweets that you'll add. Then write a description. You can even add links to the description to help redirect people to relevant content. Then click Save. Now before publishing a moment, you can choose private, public, or unlisted. Now if you are testing out your moment, you can choose private or unlisted. Once you have created moments, you can view them all under the Moments tab. Now that is how easy you can create your Twitter moments. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using PostInfluence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. PostInfluence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from websites that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try PostInfluence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.